Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones Beats Studio Pro using your phone. All you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, at the left ear cup, at the bottom of the left ear cup, we have USB-C port. So connect the second one right here. Near to the port, at the left side, right here we have the LED light. And if you see it, meaning that your headphones are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!